Hello everyone. In this video I'll be demonstrating a few addition, subtraction, mix sums that are part of the stage 3 workbook of my Abacus course. Okay, so the sheet that you can see in front of you is one of the initial practice sheets from the stage 3 workbook. It comprises of 3-digit numbers for addition and subtraction mix. Okay, this is the first time in my workbooks that addition and subtraction mix sums are introduced in the course at stage 3. In stage 1 and stage 2, I have focused on giving practice sums independently, means addition sums are separate, subtraction sums are separate. It starts in the mix form in the stage 3. Okay, stage 3 onwards, addition and subtraction mix sums are given a higher priority. Okay, so I'll demonstrate a few sums from this sheet here. Let's say we'll solve the first sum, this one. Okay, this particular sum. The first number is 395. I'll take 395 here. Next number is minus 41. So minus 41, I can it should start on the tens place. So minus 40, and for minus 1 on this rod, I'll use the small friend formula, which is plus 4 minus 5. Next number is 89, addition of 89. So for adding 8 on this rod, that is a tens place rod, I'll have to use the combination formula, because minus 2 plus 10, I cannot do minus 2 here directly. So I'll have to use the combination formula, which is plus 3 minus 5 and plus 10. Okay, plus 3 minus 5 took care of the minus 2 part, and along with that I did a plus 10 here to finish the addition of 8 on the tens place. Now coming to the units place, I'm supposed to add 9, okay, to finish the addition of 89. So for adding 9 here, the formula is minus 1 plus 10. So I'll do minus 1 plus 10. So addition of 89 is done. Next number is minus 253. Okay, for subtraction of 253, I'll start from the hundreds place. So minus 2 on the hundreds place. For minus 5 on the tens place, I will have to use the big friend formula, which is plus 5 minus 10. And then on the units place, subtraction of 3 can be done directly. Okay, so subtraction of 3 is done. Last number is addition of 203. Okay, 203. So it can be done directly. On the hundreds place, addition of 2 is possible. Nothing is to be done on this rod since 0 is there. 0 is to be added here, and 3 is to be added on the units place. That also can be done directly. So the final answer that we have for this particular sum is 393. Okay, let's move to another example. Let's say this one. The first number is 695. So let's start with 695. Next number is minus 229. So we'll start from the hundreds place. Minus 2 on this rod can be done using the small friend formula, which is plus 3 minus 5. On the tens place, another 2 is to be subtracted here, which can be done directly. On the units place, I'm supposed to subtract 9. So now be careful here. For subtracting 9, the regular formula is plus 1 minus 10. Okay, so I'll do plus 1 and minus 10 on the next left rod to finish the subtraction of 9. Next number is addition of 397. So again we'll start from the third rod, that is a hundreds place rod. Addition of 3 on this rod can be done using the small friend formula, which is plus 5 minus 2. Coming to the tens place, addition of 9 can be done using the big friend formula, which is minus 1 plus 10. And on the units place, addition of 7. Now be very careful here. Addition of 7 will have to be done using the combination formula, which is plus 2 minus 5 plus 10, because we are supposed to subtract 3 here and add 10, but for subtraction of 3 we don't have enough beads here. So for subtraction of 3 we'll use the small friend formula of minus 3, which is plus 2 minus 5. Okay, so plus 2 minus 5 has taken care of the minus 3 part. Along with that, I'll do a plus 10 here to finish the addition of 7. So 397 is done. Next number is minus 107. So I'll start on the hundreds place. Minus 1 is easy. Nothing is to be done on this rod because the digit is 0 to be added or subtracted here. Coming to the units place, I'm supposed to subtract 7 here. For subtraction of 7, again I'll have to think on similar lines. The regular big friend formula is plus 3 minus 10. But can I do plus 3 directly? No. So plus 3 will have to be done using the small friend formula, which is plus 5 minus 2. So along with plus 3, I'll do a minus 10 to finish the subtraction of 7 on the units place. Now the final number to be added is 15. Okay, so 1, 5, 15. On the tens place, 1 directly. On the units place, addition of 5 will be done using the regular big friend formula, that is minus 5 plus 10. So the final answer that we have for this particular sum is 771. Let's look at one more example, final one. Let's say this one. Okay, 912 is the first number here. So I'll start with 912. The next number to be added is 264. Okay, addition of 264. So again, we'll start from the hundreds place. Addition of 2 will have to use the big friend formula, which is minus 8 plus 10. So minus 8 was done on the hundreds place, plus 10 happened on the thousands place. Okay, so addition of 2 on the hundreds place is done. On the unit tens place, I'm supposed to add 6. So addition of 6 is directly possible here. And on the units place, 4 is to be added. So it can be done using the small friend formula, that is plus 5 minus 1. Next number is addition of 274. Again, we'll start from the hundreds place. Addition of 2 directly is possible. On the tens place, addition of 7. The formula is minus 3 plus 10, but we don't have 3 bits available for subtraction. So we'll use the combination formula, which is plus 2 minus 5 for the minus 3 part, and then plus 10 on the next left rod. So addition of 7 on the tens place is done. Coming to the units place, addition of 4 is to be done here. The formula to be used is big friend formula, that is minus 6 and plus 10. For plus 10 on this rod, I don't have 1 bit available here, so I'll have to think of the applicable plus 1 formula. The plus 1 formula that can be applied here is the small friend formula, that is plus 5 minus 4. Okay, so addition of 274 is now complete. Moving to the next number, it is subtraction of 248. Okay, we'll start from the hundreds place. Minus 2 is directly possible. Coming to the tens place, subtraction of 4 we can do using the small friend formula, that is plus 1 minus 5. And coming to the units place, subtraction of 8 can be done using the regular big friend formula, that is plus 2 minus 10. Okay, so minus 248 is done. The last number is minus 126. Okay, so we'll start from the hundreds place, minus 1 directly. On the tens place, for minus 2 we'll have to use the big friend formula, that is plus 8 minus 10. And coming to the units place, subtraction of 6. The regular formula is plus 4 minus 10, but I don't have enough beads here for doing plus 4, so I'll have to use the combination formula, that is plus 4 using the small friend formula, plus 4 and along with that a minus 10, and we have finished the addition and subtraction of all these numbers. The final answer that we have for this particular sum is 1076. Okay, this is the final answer. So in this fashion, this stage 3 worksheet will give you enough practice for addition and subtraction mix of 3-digit numbers. The answer could be arrived in 3 digits or 4 digits or even 2 digits. Okay, so it will give good amount of practice. By this time, actually, in stage 1 and stage 2, you already get very familiar with using addition formulas singularly or subtraction formulas in standalone manner. In this case, in stage 3, for the first time, you'll be doing addition and subtraction mix sums. So you have to be very careful that whenever you're doing addition, you're supposed to use the addition formulas alone. And in addition formulas, the friend is always subtracted. Remember that. And while you doing a subtraction of any number, you are supposed to think of the subtraction formula where the friend is to be added. Okay, so while using a addition formula, the friend is subtracted, and while using a subtraction formula, the friend is added. Remember this very carefully.